how to make some pumpkin pie in Toca World. So you're gonna grab a pumpkin and you're gonna grab some sugar. Now I would just mash these two together and call it a day, but no, we're not gonna do that. Instead, we're gonna make this how somebody would make it. Grab your bowl and spoon. Okay. You see? Gonna grab some bread. Now we're gonna just pretend that we put the bread in the bowl as some crust, but we didn't actually put the bread in the bowl. Okay. And then you add the pumpkin. There you go. And then you wanna open some sugar. So to open sugar, you need to smash it with something else. So we're just gonna do that. Alright. We opened it, yay. Okay. And now we're gonna do that. And we're gonna mix it. Oops, why am I falling? Come on now. Okay, mix it. Now pretend that I just cut it like a cut scene. Pretend like I actually did that. And ta-da! And do that. And ta-da! You got yourself a pumpkin pie. Okay? And now you're gonna put your bowl and your spoon back over there. And you put the pumpkin pie up where the other pumpkin pie is. And try to line it up. So now it looks like you only have one pumpkin pie, but when you take it down, it actually has two. So, yeah. Oh, you have to also refill. That is how to make pumpkin pie.